Hello, how are you? Today we are back at Bramley-moore Dock to give you the latest update on the Everton new stadium build. Just before we get into that, I'd just like to thank each and every one of my subscribers. When we started this back in November 2021, I didn't think I'd ever reach 1,000 subscribers, never mind as many as I've got now, which I think is just over 2.5. So thank you for that. We're not going to ramble on about it. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel below, leave us a comment, share the video with your family and friends, and thanks a lot. So we're not going to ramble on. We're going to get straight into this video. Obviously that's why you're here. Quick look at it from the ground, and then we'll get up in the air. Okay, so you will see this a lot better. I've zoomed in right on quite a lot of things, which we'll talk about in the video as well. But the roof is half, so the roof truss is halfway done. So that's a big thing. There's just something to go in there, which you'll see when we zoom in. It's early. It's just gone 7 o'clock, and there's tons of people here. I didn't think it was going to be so busy so early. Right, we are going to get into this video. Don't forget to give us a subscribe at the bottom, and take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon. Well, early start today. Early bird catches the worm and all that. So the first thing we've concentrated on is the roof truss that's been lifted into place, and there's just a couple of, if you just look behind that yellow crane, there's just a couple of, I'm guessing the steel beams to just go in place, and then the truss is like halfway up. I believe that is the last part of the truss to go up. As we get round the site to the the west, I'm getting my compass mixed up here. As we go around to the west side of the stand, or I believe all the lifting has been done there now. You will see that as we go round. Don't forget at the bottom of your picture in the centre, as we said last time, that's where the part of the Everton Museum is going to be. So excited to see that. So we were going to get down yesterday, but the rain just stopped us from doing so. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 bayings on site at the moment. 9, sorry, just missed one there. Probably more at the back. 10, yeah, there's more. So we've got 10 cranes on site. Obviously they all have different purposes. So we're going to zoom in to the site. There's people working on the roof. I'm guessing this guy is checking the cladding. He's walking around inspecting stuff. Yeah, and then he's going up on that north stand. Not a lot happening from what I can see inside the actual stadium itself. It all seems to be on the outside at the moment. There's a couple of people walking about and stuff. It was really early, so it's beginning of the day that we've shot this, but you can get, if you look now, you can get a feel of that curve of the actual roof. The shape of the roof and the curve effect is, I'm sure you've seen the finished photos. Okay, so we're just going to zoom in on this brickwork because it has been completed a lot more since we last took a shot of this. We are going to, there we go. So there's actually people working on that brickwork on that, someone told me what that was called and I can't remember what it's called. I called it a cherry picker, but I don't think it's that. I think it's a cherry picker, I forgot what it's called. As you can see, a lot of the glass has been completed, as Jay pointed out to us in a previous video at the top, just there. Yeah, as I say, you can get the shape of that. The shape of the roof there. It's looking really nice. Okay, to move on. So we are back round to the east side of the stand, and we're just going to fly around and see what's happening on the other side, which is the south, and the other side of the west. I thought concrete everything inside the stand is looking really, really nice as well. Once we start like installing the seats and stuff, and it starts looking like coming in and looking like a proper stadium. Instead of our people working just under the roof truss. I imagine that they're getting ready to put the rest of the roof truss on. That's why they're there under them supports, just preparing them for the next part of the lifts. Okay. We do obviously, as I say, zoom in on different things as we go round. I'm just trying to keep a decent distance from the site as well when I'm not zoomed in, just so I don't cause any problems basically. I don't know why, but I feel like the north roof is looks more complete than the south, which is what you're looking at the moment, the south roof. I feel like the corners have got more like stuff in, or just like structure in. I could be fucking out me, you know what, but I just feel like the north is a lot more complete than the south. Like it's got the plans on top of the roof, where the south hasn't got any at the moment. Just taking a look, no movement on them cranes as yet, but as I say, it was first thing in the morning when I got down there today. Okay, so we just start moving around. We do get a good look at the other side in this particular video. So as you can see there, even the west side of the stadium, which is the Merseyside side closest to the Mersey, that even starts getting cladded on. So and hopefully they've got some sort of schedule for this. But everything doesn't seem to be on schedule. Like I say, on the another site we cover, which is obviously the Anfield one, it doesn't feel panicked. but it feels like, right, we need to get this done, where as on this particular site, it's like, it just feels nice, it feels relaxed, it feels like everything's going to plan, if you understand what I mean. Okay, so again, there's more brickwork finished on this southwest corner, and like I promised, we did get right round the back, and there's all them windows that have been completed. That hospitality section on the southwest corner as well. So that's how it's looking at the moment. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we will see you on our next update, which will be later on in the week. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you very soon.